Hey guys, welcome to my channel and I am Sravya. Today we are going to make chicken stuffed banana peppers. List of ingredients and the quantity required are in the description. But before starting the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now let's get into the content. Take a bowl and add curd, red chili powder, salt, turmeric powder, garam masala, cumin powder, coriander powder, ginger garlic paste and lemon juice. I took normal boneless chicken and cut them into really tiny pieces like this. You can also mince the chicken if you want. Add the chicken into the bowl and mix all the ingredients well so that each and every chicken piece gets a coat of masala. After mixing, marinate the chicken for at least 1 to 2 hours. While the chicken is marinating, let's prepare peppers to stuff the chicken. These are sweet banana peppers. You can easily find them in any supermarket. Take the pepper, make a slit on one side like this and take out the seeds. Do not slice through the pepper completely. We want it to maintain its shape. These peppers are not at all spicy. The only reason we are taking out the seeds is because we want to make room to stuff the chicken. Prepare all the peppers in the same way. Once the chicken is marinated and the peppers are ready, start stuffing the chicken into peppers like this. After you're done stuffing the peppers, heat oil in a pan. Do not let the oil get too hot. The oil should be just hot enough so that when we drop the pepper in it, it should start bubbling but should not boil. Don't drop the peppers into the oil all of a sudden. Slowly release them so that they stay in the same place as long as we cook. Make sure that the stuffed chicken which is visible should be on the top. If you place the chicken downwards, the oil may penetrate through the gaps and releases chicken from the peppers. As the chicken is in tiny pieces and we also marinated it in curd, it won't take long to cook. Let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes. Take it out of the oil and your chicken stuffed banana peppers are done. Let them rest for 2 to 3 minutes so that they release the remaining moisture completely and serve them with ketchup. Don't leave out the peppers thinking that they are spicy. They are sweet and in fact very juicy when you bite into them with the chicken. Try the recipe and let me know how it tasted. Thank you for tuning into my channel. If you have any suggestions or recipe requests, you can always write in the comment section. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.